You got quite a bit hanging around.
It's probably that 60% expo that I've got. Oh shit. We are headed to the flying field, the club flying field. I don't know if you can see this thing, but this thing fills up my car. I know an 83-inch wing will fit in a Subaru. Why is it so hot in here? Holy moly, it's hot. Woo. There we go. Alright, so we're just gonna do a quick little intro. This is Clifford. Clifford's gonna go for his first flight today. I mean, my first day flying a glow airplane. So, kind of interested to see how that goes. I will see you guys at the field. What do you know, guys? You need to draw a circle out there and you gotta land in it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's pretty cool. Alright, let's get this thing unloaded.
Do I dare say it out loud?
The wind's going down. It's just trying to get Eric out there on the flight line.
Yeah.
As soon as he rotates, all hell's going to break loose.
Alright. You want to hold her for me? Thank you. Receiver's on. Glow plugger thing's lit up.
You got onboard glow?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's handy.
Is your radio on?
Radio's on.
Okay. Hey, Dan. Some end gate there.
Let me.
Choke it.
Let me just buzz it around with my finger on this.
Fuel coming through. There.
Are we recording? We are recording. We're gonna stand behind it. All right. Yeah, we're gonna get up here out of harm's way, kind of.
Don't seem to have too much elevator.
No, I gotta kind of stay on the.
You need any trimming?
You just go slow into that wind.
I would be afraid to use more throttle. It's not overly powered.
That's full throttle. Full throttle. It is super slow to react though.
Yeah.
I mean, which is good.
That's a trainer for you.
Do kind of a lower pass here. Come on, baby. I might bring her in this next round. I'm like full throttle. I don't see nothing broke.
Fine. Excellent. Pretty.
Not bad for a first.
Pretty gutsy maiden flight.
Hey, we made it. That's
Nice job. You didn't bounce it around quite a bit, or you did?
not really. You could definitely tell you're going into it.
Yeah.
I mean, that was full throttle to go.
Was it?
Yeah, that was all she had. I just pretty much held it pinned, unless I was going with the wind, and then
Yeah.
it came down in one piece, so I'm considering that a win.
That's a success.
Keep it full throttle again. I think it's okay.
We'll try it there. That's about where that little screw was at. Pretty close. Dan, I might go up with you. All right. That's wide open.
It's not overpowered. It might be a wee bit underpowered.
This is a different prop. I put a it was a 12 by 6 or 13 by 6. This is a 13 by 8.
I would feel more comfortable if you flew it higher.
Would you? I like flying them low to the ground.
It's easier to see them down there.
Yeah.
You can see that thing. Kearney.
You aren't gonna do a rifle roll with this sucker.
It's not really made for a whole lot of aerobatics. You should be able to do rolls with it. You might have to turn your ailerons up a little bit.
Yeah, we might need some more throw to do that.
It doesn't have an overabundance of airspeed.
No. And that's, I'm just holding it wide open. Like there's no,
That won't hurt anything.
I'm not overmotored by any means. do a loop, kind
Oh yeah, you have plenty of elevators for it.
of. You gotta get a run at it. I forget I got a rudder. I'm just pegged, just holding the throttle wide
Yeah, you
open.
can practice coordinating turns. You got quite a bit of on.
It's probably that 60% expo that I've got. Oh shit. I got like orientation. I thought I zigged and I zagged.
So this is where the elevation helps you out. See, you were at 0.5 mistakes high. Okay. You want to be at about 2 or 3 mistakes high for shenanigans.
Nah. Alright, I'm gonna bring this one in.
Shoot a couple approaches or just try and land her?
We'll come in a little low and it's a lot further away than it looks because it's fucking ginormous. Them fucking birds. Fuck them birds.
They get out of the way pretty quick.
Yeah, I know, but you get in trouble if you try filming them.
Yeah. And don't film them.
Yeah, heaven forbid you take their picture.
That's how you do it. Pretty damn good. Good job.
Later.
One more place.
All right, for me and Clifford, that was a fun day. 2 flights and no accidents. One real close call, but no accidents. So thanks for watching. Till next time, peace out. Bye.